Hello everyone, I am Sayan Chakraborty, volunteer of AFRS. Today we are discussing about classification of lip prints. So welcome back our channel. The contents of this presentation is first हम इंट्रोडक्शन के बारे में थोड़ा बात करेंगे, लिप प्रिंट्स इंट्रोडक्शन, फिर टाइप्स ऑफ लिप प्रिंट्स जैसे वर्टिकल ग्रुप पैटर्न, रेडिकल ग्रुप पैटर्न, डॉटेड पैटर्न, ब्रांच पैटर्न, सिग्निफिकेंस इन फॉरेंसिक साइंस, लास्ट में कंक्लूजन होगा. सो टुडे वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट लिप प्रिंट्स. इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज कैलाइस्कोपी. involve the study and classification of patterns formed by the lines, groups and furrows on the surfaces on the lips. It is similar to fingerprints. Lip prints are very unique to individuals and have gained recognition as a valuable forensic tool. It is very important. मतलब इसका इम्पोर्टेंस अब रिसेंट ईयर में इंक्रीज हो रहा है फॉर देयर पोटेंशियल इन आइडेंटिफाइंग द इंडिविजुअल्स एंड एडिंग इन क्रिमिनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन. Now types of lip prints. Vertical group pattern. The vertical group patterns is characterized by vertical lines on the lips running from the inner edge to the outer edge. Radial group pattern. The radial group patterns consist of curves and circular lines radiating from the central point on the lips. These lines resemble a wheel or spokes varying in size, shape or arrangement. Understanding the radial group pattern assists in the identification and comparison of lip prints. Now the another classification of lip prints is dotted pattern. The dotted pattern is characterized by tiny dots or points on the lip surface. These dots can be regularly distributed or form specific patterns like cluster or lines. The size, density and arrangement of dots provide valuable information for distinguishing lip prints of different individuals. मतलब लिप के ऊपर जो डॉट होते उसके बेसिस में पैटर्न डिफरेंशिएट करा गया है. द एनालिसिस ऑफ डॉटेड पैटर्न्स contributes to accuracy of lip prints classification. Now the another classification is branched pattern. The branch pattern in lip prints involve the presence of branches or bifurcations on the lines. These branches can extend from the main lines to intersect with other lines, forming a network-like pattern. The complexity of branching patterns varies, aiding in the differentiation of lip prints among individuals. Classification based on branch patterns enhances the accuracy of lip prints analysis. इसके बाद significance of lip prints in forensic science. Lip prints have significant importance in forensic science. They can be found on various surfaces including glass, tissue or fabric and serve as crucial evidence in criminal investigation. Comparing lip prints found in the crime scene to the suspect lip impression helps establish or exclude their involvement. Lip print complement other forensic tools such as fingerprint and DNA, providing additional evidence for forensic analysis. Lip print through the classification of patterns such as vertical group patterns, radial group patterns, branch patterns or dotted patterns hold immense potential in forensic science. Their uniqueness and individuality make them valuable in identifying individuals and aiding in criminal investigation. Ongoing research and advancement in calligraphy continue to enhancing the importance and accuracy of lip prints analysis in forensic science. Thank you.